Hey guys, Xbox here, and we are doing an MLS. Wait, we're doing an MLS mode quiz, name quiz, I guess. So yeah, and you guys liked the other one, so yeah, it's gonna be MLS. I'm not doing NHL. I already did an NFL, so I'm not doing NBA one. Or we already did the baseball one. I'm not doing those because I already know them. I'll honestly get them straight away. And since like the MLS literally adds like new teams like every year, so I honestly would not know. Literally like 55% of the names in MLS is like just FC. Like I already know a few teams that are named FC in this, so yeah. Let's see if I have any, nope, I don't think I do. Trying to see if I have my, Philadelphia Union, hat. Nope. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, I know this one. This is Real. Okay, I think I got the Revolution. Revolution? Oh, I didn't get this one right? That's real. That's Real. What? That's real. That's Salt Lake real. Real Salt Lake? That doesn't make sense. Okay, I was confused about this one at first. I already know. Chicago Fire. Trying to trick me with that logo. Got the Washington United. That's a new New York team. I honestly don't know. I can't even guess because I honestly don't have a clue. I have an MLS book, but it doesn't have those teams in it. This team was made like in 2019. And this book was like made in 2016. Even though I got it in 4th grade. Way like a year or 2 years after. I got it from a book fair. Bro, I don't know. Sporting. There. Dallas. FC Dallas. Okay, just got McDonald's. Okay, so Sounders. No, wait, I'm not typing that in. Sounders. Yeah, I know that. Let me take a nugget. It's gonna say quick. Wait. Yeah. This is a stupid name, but Crew. Red Bull. Totally not. Either it's sponsored by Red Bull, or they're just gonna get sued by them. Timbers. Okay. Dynamo. Rapid. LA Galaxy. Everyone knows that. should know this. Montreal. Oh my god, this is actually the first. Oh shit, I gotta go. Okay. Vancouver. Oh, I just. Montreal. I don't know how to spell their name. Union, my guy. Yeah, my team. SC. No, it's Orlando. Or Orlando. Wait. No. Shoot. I don't know how to spell it. I'm choking. FC. Okay, I know this. Nashville. Cincinnati. I just spell there. I got Atlanta. That's Minnesota United. Impact. Oh, I forgot about them. I spelled Montreal. No, I did not. I did not spell it right. New York City. Okay, sure. Sure. Not the same as New York. Okay, sure. It's totally not the same as New York. Okay, sure. I knew it was Los Angeles, but I just couldn't spell it in time. Well, I probably had time, but I didn't want. I wanted to get more. Enter Miami. CF. What is CF? Club International DE Football. Yeah. So we got 4, 3, 5. I'm so bad. This video is sponsored by McDonald's. Okay, so this is an 8-minute video. I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna see. Okay, I got 81 out of. No, I got 81%. I got 21 out of 26. They were called the Whitecaps. Well, so do you just need to spell their last name, or like do you just need to spell their like city name and then that's good? Okay. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next quiz. Okay, this is the new one. This is the Madden cover thing, like who was on it, or I think I wanted the number of it, like which Madden it was, but I can't find one, so I found this one, I guess. Lamar Jackson, Patrick Mahomes. There. I was scared. I was scared I was gonna get the Patrick Mahomes wrong. Brady, also my favorite. I'm not gonna say players. Why would I say that? Favorite. Oh, just put that. Okay. I'll say my favorite Madden now. Okay. Odell. Beck, and Richard Sherman. Obviously, it's gonna get harder once we go through. Okay, Barry Sanders. Barry Sanders can. No, wait, no, that isn't Barry Sanders. I should know this. I should know this. Oh my god. It's like right on top of my tongue, honestly. I feel like it starts with a P, but I can't waste time. I know the guy's a fullback. I don't know. I know these are gonna just get harder once, later. Am I supposed to put both of them? I swear. I don't. Okay. Brett Bard. Don't know. Also don't know. Donovan McNabb. That's him. Okay, that's a bull, seriously. That's Donovan McNabb. Who else could that be? Ray Lewis. Michael Vick. Mars. Oh. There. I feel like I should know him. That's on the tip of my tongue, too. Adrian Pearson. Oh, now I remember. I can't say his name. I don't know his name. Donovan McNabb, isn't that him? Donovan McNabb. The caption's wrong. Okay. So this was Vince Young. Yeah, that's what I meant. It was like right on there. Sean Alexander. I did not know him. Peyton Hillis. Okay, who? Seriously, who? Eddie George. Yeah, I knew that one. Dante Culpepper. Yeah, I knew that one too. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe. Leave a like. I hope you enjoyed that video. Peace. Goodbye.